Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cartigen DN Tablet. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Farmed Ltd. Cartigen DN Tablet. Uses. Cartigen DN Tablet is primarily used in the treatment of osteoarthritis, a condition affecting joints like the knees, hips, hands, and spine. Benefits. In osteoarthritis, Cartigen DN Tablet helps manage pain, swelling, and stiffness, especially in the knees and hips, allowing you to move more easily. If started early, it may also help in joint repair. Along with this medicine, light exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and wearing supportive footwear can further improve results. Side effects. While generally safe, Cartigen DN Tablet may cause mild side effects such as nausea, diarrhea, constipation, indigestion, heartburn, or urine discoloration. If any of these persist or worsen, seek medical advice. How to use. Take Cartigen DN Tablet exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Swallow it whole with food. Do not chew, crush, or break it. How it works. Cartigen DN Tablet combines three powerful ingredients: glucosamine, diacerin, and methyl sulfonylmethane, MSM. Glucosamine and diacerin stimulate cartilage-building proteins, aiding joint repair, while MSM reduces inflammation and swelling, improving flexibility and comfort.